5 Top Testimonials Plugin. Using a testimonial plugin lets you easily add customer or client testimonials, reviews, or feedback to your WordPress website. This adds social proof to your site and helps you win new customers and boost sales. Here are the top 5 free testimonials plugins for WordPress. At number 1 is Strong Testimonials. It has more than 100,000 active installations and 310 5 stars. At number 2 is Testimonial. It has more than 30,000 active installations and 72 5 stars. At number 3 is Site Reviews. It has more than 30,000 active installations and 165 5 stars. At number 4 is Easy Testimonials plugin. It has more than 30,000 active installations and 46 5 stars. At number 5 is WP Testimonials with Rotator widget. It has more than 10,000 active installations and 21 5. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.